Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix your Galaxy Z Flip 8 heating while charging. So first you need to understand that it's normal if you charge it using fast charging. So to check if you are, go to the settings, and once you are in the settings, you should go over into the battery. Once you're in the battery, we're gonna scroll down and go to charging settings right here. We're gonna tap on it, and here you have fast charging. Now if you disable it, then the phone will charge with the normal charging instead of the fast one, so it will stop heating up. But even if you turn it off and it's still heating up, what are we going to do? Is we're going to check for background apps that may be causing heat and high power consumption. So you can also do that in the battery. Here we're going to go to view details, and you'll have your entire battery usage. For example, the camera, Chrome, and here you can force stop the app, for example. As you guys can see, I already put it in the deep sleep, so they will not be active unless we turn them back on. Here, make sure that you use the original charger and a cable, because if you're not, then they may not be compatible enough, and the power they send might be a bit different than what the phone says. So this will be like a disproportion. We definitely don't want that to happen, because it will definitely mess up our phone, and it will maybe just stop responding, or it will just try too much to cool it down, even if it just won't work. So it will keep on heating up, and the heat will pile up to the level where your battery can simply just explode. So make sure that you be really careful with the charger and cable that you're using, and also make sure that you avoid using the phone while charging it. For example, don't play any games on it. Don't watch any Netflix or YouTube videos. Make sure that you only do light stuff while charging it, but I would recommend just avoiding it at all. Now, if you have a case for it, the cases for it are basically just two-step cases. We want to make sure that you just take the case off, because it can easily improve heat dissipation. If your case is on, then it will block the heat, and this will basically end badly. Now, as a last resort, make sure to charge your phone in a cool and ventilated area. And that's it for the video. So, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.